I just did a ton of work on it in preparation for the Hot Rod Power Tour, which was last week. So it's a big trip where like 6,000 hot rods all drive together between 5 different cities, stopping at like racetracks and stuff to be like basically a huge car show. So it's lowered. It's got some 18-inch Miyagi wheels on it, side exit exhaust, and we repainted it in 3 days, basically sanded the whole truck down to nothing. This is the first time I ever painted a car with a spray gun, so not bad. I'm sure on YouTube, the compression, it looks perfect. It is a good 10-footer. I'm pretty impressed with how well it turned out, but there you go. There's a swap.
Are you gonna have a nice long haul video?
Yeah, so I did film most of the power tour. It won't be a super long video because like I was so busy walking around, it was kind of hard to film as well. My first time doing it, so I wasn't sure how the layout would be or how everything worked. So now that I know, next year's video will be even better, and I'm sure you'll see more of the content of the truck on the channel now. But there it is, and it's running and driving just fine. It's got some small changes I still want to make to it, some things here and there, but for the most part, it's good to go. I've been dailying this the past 2 days just because I like it. It's fun, despite the heat.